Hi, this is my new Covozon IPX6 outdoor power strip waterproof protector. This item is great for many different locations, or in your home, office, or if you need to use it for your job site, or pretty much anywhere. This is great because it comes with a 6-foot plug-in, so that gives you a pretty long reach. It does come with 4 plugs and 4 USBs. I'm going to show you what comes inside this box. So once I pull this out, here's your surge protector. It does come with your instructions. It tells you how to use it. This right here is your surge protector. It does have a 6-foot cord, like I said. It's got an on and off, and it's got a reset in case something happens. But it's supposed to be waterproof, so you will be protected. So if you're outside, or one of your tables gets spilled with a coffee or something, you don't have to worry about damaging the surge protector and your equipment behind it. So pretty simple. I'll go ahead and plug it into this. That turns on. Now, like I was gonna say, your USB, it's got 2 USB and 2 USB-Cs. So I got a little spray bottle here. I'm sprinkling. And nothing's happening. So overall, this is great. You don't have to worry about your equipment being damaged by any water spillage or anything like that. I recommend this item. Looking forward to using it at home. Thank you for watching.